acceleration spring. So I grab my straps like this, I bring them behind me, and I straddle the box this way, and I scoot my bum forward like this, and then I'm going to slowly, I got to move my mic. There we go. I slowly roll back, and I come into what we call the dead bug pose. I don't know why. That's just how I learned it. I learned it as the dead bug pose. So I want to press my palms into the straps a little bit so that I lift a little bit higher in the C curve. The tension in the straps actually help create that too, okay? So first you're going to inhale, lift up, exhale, open. Now inhale, circle long and low. Your hands come to the tops of your thighs. Exhale, deflate the abdominals, draw the knees right back in, maintaining that tension. So I never come to here. I always am pressing into those straps to maintain a little bit of a lift. Inhale, lift up, exhale, open. Now inhale, circle long and lift a little bit higher. Hands come to the tops of your thighs, deflate those abdominals, bring it back in. Now we're going to take it down to one breath so there's a little bit more flow. I'm going to inhale, lift up, and open. Now I'm going to exhale, circle long and low, draw it back in. Inhale, lift up and open. Exhale, deflate the abdominals, hands come to the tops of the thighs. Exhale, abdominals, draw everything back in, maintaining that lift. Inhale, lift up and open. Exhale, circle, lift a little bit higher, all the way to that hundreds breathing position. Exhale, draw it back in. And then of course you can reverse it. Now the classical transition for hundreds breathing is you bring both straps into your left hand. I take my right hand, I cheat a little bit, I grab the corner of the box. Woo! Pivot, turn here.